I don't think I'm going to balenga serikali. Today on fair grounds. That's going to kuchalenga. Matiang'i will be a candidate on fair grounds.
Yes.
Matiang'i will be a candidate for either Ojumbe, presidency or Senator government. Will be a candidate. Will be created by ABC. But Matiang'i Gachagua cannot be created.
No
MCA. So I don't think Matiang'i should be listening to what Gachagua says. Matiang'i a contest is about leadership. It's not about being a biyama nini. Well, na kwa na moisonde the Jubilee Secretary General Kionya Katewanga. Gachagua cannot hold Matiang'i ransom. Matiang'i has to come out about Chikura because no Kenya na napata court is kuba choko bomora yo president ye country. Amma binanda getting alero Matiang'i na stambo authority von. Katewanga into what we are coming in una Jubilee. Ata in Jubilee I will be there. Asa njina mo kwa kia finally Matiang'i ndeke party yai. Matemba genda end this meeting in Nairobi.
Yeah.
Touch kwa declare kende yonse. But I'm crowding bono soka table. Okay, abantu bangemba ko kiri walibaka gertenga maybe ulijon chivo party polibu abo pick from there nini. And again for me it's now an opportune moment as umora yondibasi from Gusii karate kiama kiai. So Gachagua ajugo kring on that party adenga ngabona Matiang'i nas nyetu tikambo ati uyonde umuntu ndo form the party yai. But then for me I don't think there's a contest between Matiang'i na Gachagua. Gachagua abate fear abate unknown fear of the unknown. Elinga ngabona Matiang'i go chale through Jubilee party at was put squad because no or
obo gingi piningo sirapo
and then Gachagua be prepared again. Someone else is also coming in central region. There's no way to come on the next elections Matiang'i from Kisii is going to continue through Jubilee and you are parking yo Moikoyo. Gachagua no wale mu inogai.
Even some people are even proposing Moses Kuria na abo kiama kia chama cha kazi na Moses Kuria anakuanga aggressive sana as a ground.
So don't be shocked dinga even from central region. Gachagua go fed because and I'm sure the Supreme Court ruling will be coming out soon.
Very soon, yeah.
I don't know if Gachagua is expecting a different result from what happened in the International Assembly because impeachment, that's a different arm of government.
Yes.
Impeachment is na parliament. So the Supreme Court resigning the same idea, same agenda parliament here.
You're
declaring now for the whole process,
It cannot.
So it cannot happen. I think as days go by, I can let the comment over
bitterness.
If I can use that word, being jealous.
It's greedy. Just say greedy.
So you might think there's no day. Okay, someone like Matiang'i is saying we could be doing this and this and this. A country might go enter. I'm not arguing. Deeply go it on government. So akonama president. Gachagua agenda yae
no korama. No mobile direct ya
no korama. I mean na moral in kind of the media also try marago. Hadenga is the man who made President Uhuru. Is the man who made President Ruto. I don't know. For the 5 years.
And he is the one who mentored Muhammad Ali.
Gachagua was in parliament for only 2 weeks. For the 5 years, I have no more job.
2 weeks.
2 weeks here. Tamat no emotion kichika lenga sem parliament, tamat team big kichika parliament.
By the way, I saw that kana geteringa go say no malice here rabu, lakini Gachagua tabuga record ne onsi. Legacy and the parliament, a member of parliament.
By the way, I think even the answer Telecom recognize unless you big team made and speech you can.
Answer they don't recognize you, you're productive in the assembly. The National Assembly as well. So